Hey, what's going on everyone, my name is Daniyal and welcome back for another video. So today's video we are going to be unboxing the K8 wireless microphone.
Alright, so let's firstly take a look at the box and let's clear up the packaging. But before that, we've got the box right here. It's got all the features listed at the back of the microphone. And yes, let's just start peeling off the plastic cover. One thing that a lot of these packages don't have is this packaging cover, which I think that a lot of people should wrap because it protects the insides of the box as well as the product itself. Now that we've removed the plastic bag, let's open the box and see what we have. So we've got a mic, a connector, and a cable. Let's pull out the mic first. Alright, so I think the overall build quality of the microphone is okay. Even the foam of this microphone is very soft. I think it should be a lot more insulating. And there are these plastic protective peels all over the place. The clip also looks very firm, and it's kind of promising to see a type of a very firm clip on this type of microphone. So this is the connector. This is a Type-C connector which can be used with any kind of flagship phone or maybe even mid-range or budget phone, because Type-C is probably the standards of 2023. So right now the connector also is of very good quality. I think at this price point this is a very good quality. So other than that, we've got the manuals, the plain old manuals. If you want to read them, you can read them. And of course we have also got a charging cable in the box. So let's open up the box and let's see what kind of charging cable is it. Alright, so what it seems is that it's probably a Type-C cable. And yes, this is a Type-C cable. Now a lot of people think that I should have gotten the USB-C cable as well as the Lightning, but oh well.
So right now I am recording, and up till this point I've been recording with the original stock microphone of every phone that I've been using. So for the first time, this is the first time that I've ever used a collar mic, let alone a wireless mic. So this is the mic that we've got right now. I got this in the box and it's quite small in terms of size, and I mean it's really surprising how this thing works. So how it really works is you firstly have to put this in the Type-C adapter of your mobile device, and then after this, when you take out the mic, you put it on your collar. But before putting it on your collar, you press this button. I hope you can see it, this button right here, and it turns on the LED flashlight. So when it shines green, it means that the phone and the microphone is connected and now it's recording from the microphone. Alright, so right now you are listening from the stock microphone, and on the count of 3 you are going to be listening from the microphone that we've just bought. So 1, 2, 3. Alright, so right now the sound that you are listening to is being recorded from the K8 microphone. Let me know what the sound quality really looks like or really feels like, because right now I haven't even heard the sound quality by myself. This is the first ever test that's being done on this microphone. I know it's supposed to be on my collar right here, but I'm just holding it up to my face for the sake of testing the voice and for the sake of testing the overall noise cancellation of the microphone. So yeah, I'm just gonna turn off the video and look at the sound quality myself first. Alright, so right now we are going to do the connectivity testing for this microphone. So I'm gonna slowly move further away from the camera so that we can test that at what distance does this microphone actually disconnect from the phone. So I've actually reached the end of my room right now. I can't just go back any further. I hope it's still connected and it's still recording. And yeah, that's the distance that this microphone can still record in. Maybe still recording, but yeah, if you're hearing any voice or any audio, it means that it can still record. So yeah, let me just test out this. Alright, so up till this point I've been using this microphone with my hand. So now I'm gonna use this microphone
whilst on my shirt, because that's another kind of distance that we're testing right now. So right now I'm gonna do double this distance testing, like one distance is from my mouth and the other is from the camera. I don't know what kind of voice, what impact does it have when you have on the collar, but I hope it's still connected to the phone and I hope it can still catch my voice. So this is the natural way in which any microphone should be used, and if this thing fails in this one, I'm literally just gonna return it. Alright, so after doing enough testing on this microphone, even though right now I'm still recording from this microphone, there are my thoughts. The first thing is the voice is a bit, I don't know, saturated. There's still a lot of noise, but the overall thing is the connectivity is great, distance is great, but the thing is that the overall sound quality of this microphone is not that great. It's not really up to the point. But still, you can still enhance this sound quality from Adobe Podcast, or maybe you can, enhance it manually if you know how to do that. But the overall sound quality is great if you know how to enhance sound quality from video editors and all that kind of stuff. But if you don't, if you're gonna use your sound right out of the microphone in raw, voiceovers, then I think this microphone is not for you. You should go for a, maybe a more costly microphone. But overall, I think I give it an 8 out of 10 for, the packaging, the overall delivery, and the overall quality of the sound and the microphone itself. However, there was one other thing that I considered. When I saw the reviews of this microphone online, it said that it also comes with an adapter for iPhones, but when I ordered it, there is no adapter for iPhone connectivity. So I will literally unbox this microphone in front of camera, and I never found an adapter for iPhone connectivity. So that's another thing to keep in mind. Maybe they stopped adding that connector. Maybe I just didn't get that connector. So hopefully this review helps you in your purchase, and like the video if you haven't already. You can comment some thoughts on this, maybe a little bit advice, maybe some kind of video ideas if you have. And yeah, subscribe to the channel to support the content, and I'll see you in the very next video.